Hello and welcome to this video demonstration of toolbox forms and our tanker inspection forms. We're going to be showing you the VIKP and T forms today. As you can see, we have a header that has all the relevant information about the customer and their vehicle. And I'm filling this out on a tablet PC, although it could be easily done on a desktop or laptop. But I like to be able to take my pen and be able to enter information. You see that if something fails, I get a comment box that pops up and I can write something in there. If I want to do print or script, it doesn't matter. And I'll show you in a moment how I could do a on-screen keyboard as well. So if that came up and I wanted to say dip tube defective and I really had bad penmanship, I could just use my on-screen keyboard and do a little hunt and peck, whichever is easier for the guys to use. They can also choose the pen and just check things off that way as they would on a regular paper form. When they get down to the bottom, whether it meets or fails to meet specifications, for this moment, let's say that it fails. I go ahead and check that box, and then I can get a signature from the inspector. You'll notice that that, of course, is not converted to text, and then it automatically picks today's date. Let's go ahead and look at the other forms that we have. We have the thickness test, where we can enter all the information for the different views, and these are turned on based on the total number of compartments so that all the proper information is captured, and we enforce that through workflow and business rules so that that has to be filled in. So if I'm in pen mode, a little number pad pops up, and you'll have to forgive me, I'm not a real tank inspector, so if these numbers have nothing to do with what you'd actually fill in, I apologize. The other choice is that if they use the on-screen keyboard, they could fill it in this way and put it in. So whichever way that the technician prefers to work. And again, of course, it brings in the register inspector's name and can capture a signature just like the other forms. You'll see that the pressure test is the same, where we would turn on or turn off the number of compartments based on information we captured in the previous forms. And then we also list some guidance information for the specifications and test pressures, and this can be customized for your own business if you have anything that's different than what we do here. Next, of course, is the leakage test, and the way that you work through the leakage test is similar to the other forms. And of course, we have the external visual, which we've broken down into 2 pages. Works the same exact way as you saw on the other forms, whether it's pass or fail, and then comments will come up along with the signature at the bottom on the second page. And we have some notes there too to make sure that could be used for you as reminders to the technicians. And that is all the forms. If you have any questions or you would like to see a personalized demonstration, give us a call at 215-441-5580 and we'd be glad to help. Thanks.